So this is the quick access toolbar. So it's used to, you can pin certain functions, anything up here that you like, you can just pin it there so it's easy to find. So for example, Autosum is a function I use a lot. So if I mouse over it, if I then right click and then left click, add to quick access. So watch up here what happens. If I then left click, add to quick access toolbar, there you see, it suddenly appeared there. So it means whatever page I'm on, you know, I could be on there, and then left click, and then it does the sum function. It's just easy to find if they're all up there. And if you ever want to remove it, you just right click and then left click on remove from quick access toolbar. So that's sort of shortcuts to the functions, which is really useful. Then you've got the file name. Then if you want to search, if there's a function that you want, you just click there. Then this is my name. I'm logged into ribbon display options, which I wouldn't mess with because that's if you want to hide the ribbon. But then you always have to keep on unhiding it, so it's not worth it. So the three basic things are to minimize, that's an old one, and then you come back, so, or have a bit smaller so you can move it around, or maximize, or close it. Then the next line is, and these are fairly standard. This top line, everything I just said, is fairly standard with all Office applications, Word, PowerPoint and Outlook.